Ah, Jess, I do love a beach day, don't you?
Me too. We just need a pina colada. Can you go to the bar, Cam?
Yeah, at the bar. Wait, Jess!
What?
Oh my gosh, we're not out of time for pina colada.
Why?
It's time for the Implementer.
Well, luckily, it's only there.
This is EC News, bringing you the latest from Entrepreneur Circle.
Lovely, well.
This was voted Birmingham's best beach, you know. That's right. Welcome back to EC News, episode 12. 13? 12. 13?
And this week, a special edition of EC News because we are taking you behind the scenes of one of Entrepreneur Circle's biggest and best events. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, you join us here at the Vox Conference Centre in Resorts World within the NEC of the United Kingdom here for the Implementor.
But what is the Implementer, Cameron?
What a great question, Jess. The Implementer is an incredible two-day event, an event like no other, where hundreds of people from all over the country descend here at the Vox for 2 days, not of learning, no, not of listening to Nigel on stage, but instead of implementing. 2 days of getting stuff done, working on their business. And we thought, as a special treat for all of you EC News fans, we would take you behind the scenes on this very special day. So join us, come on, let's go.
The Implementer is made up of lots of different work zones, and we're about to take you on a little tour of all of them. Where are we right now, Cameron?
Well, right now we are in the foyer, otherwise known as the refreshment zone.
What happens here?
Oh, well, if you'd give me a minute, maybe I'd tell you. This is where, as you'd imagine, you can get all your refreshments for the day. Bottomless tea and coffee, and of course, a fabulous lunch, which follows the theme of the Implementer event, because this is very much a choose your own adventure type event. You can ebb and flow through all the different zones as you please. And in the same way, we have different lunch options and you can choose your own culinary adventure. Isn't that right?
I actually chose all of them today.
That is terrible, terrible. So this is the registration foyer area. But come now, let's go into what is one of the work zones here at the Implementer. One of the zones where people can actually get stuff done. And Jess is shushing right now because she's quite right. We're entering the quiet work zone.
Tiptoes.
Okay, I'm sorry. Wow, isn't it great to see so many people hard at work, so quietly as well?
We weren't distracting at all.
Absolutely not. As you can see from the map of the event, we've just walked through the quiet zone from the refreshment zone, and we're now about to head into the main room. So let's go. I think it's this way. Wow, here we are, gosh, in the main room of the Implementer itself. And what a room it is, Jess, eh?
And here we have everyone's favourite part of the Implementer, our expert roundtables.
Wow.
And this year, we actually have 28 expert roundtables.
28?
I know.
That's so many. The expert roundtables are fantastic. Each table that you see here is a specific table for a specific topic, which will help you to grow your business. Just look, we've got sales, we've got Facebook ads, we've got quick wins, we've got design, we've got video, website critiques, tech and tools, business strategy, marketing strategy. Over there, there's one on LinkedIn as well. Oh my goodness. And each table has an expert at the helm, an expert, a member of the EC team who is a genuine world-class expert in that area of business. And what you can do is sit down, ask them your questions, get some help and advice, get some input, get some critiques, and then take that useful information away so that you can go away and implement that thing in your business.
Let's go and spy on some of them now.
And even you have an expert roundtable, don't you, Jess?
I have an expert roundtable.
What's your table this year?
I'm on marketing critiques this year.
Oh, and what happens on the marketing critiques table, Jess?
Well, I've had a plethora of different questions this morning. Already, I've looked at website critiques, we've looked at flyers, leaflets, sales letters, and so many emails.
Oh, wow, that does sound exciting. So you're telling me people come to your table, bring their marketing, you destroy it, rip it to shreds, say, don't do that,
with my red
you
pen,
must
of
add
course.
that. And then they go away with a revitalized piece of marketing collateral that they can run safe in the knowledge that they're doing the right thing.
Absolutely.
Safe in the knowledge that they're going to get results because it's been Jessica Hicksman approved.
Tick.
Wow. And that kind of thing happens on every single table that you see here, all 28 tables, dishing out that kind of quality advice. Isn't that right?
It is.
Wow. But what happens, Jess, once you've been to an expert roundtable and now you've got stuff to get done? Now I've got my critique piece of marketing. What happens now? Where do I go to implement this?
Well, Cameron, now you're going to follow me over here to this section of the room. Follow me. Here's Craig. Craig's working on something that we critiqued just earlier.
Well, I've literally just spent the last 2 hours doing it, so
Yes.
get in there.
Yes, awesome. Now we're in the work zone.
Oh, and what happens here, Jess?
This is where people get stuff done. So you've been to your expert roundtable, you've got some advice, you know what you need to do next, and now you're sat here working away, getting it done. Away from the distractions of the day-to-day, away from the distractions of your business, your desk. You've got a new desk now.
And it's a biscuit.
Biscuit.
The biscuit linen.
The biscuit linen. Whoa. Where are we now, Cameron?
Well, as you could tell by our magical poofing, we're here in the Genie AI zone.
Ooh.
Wow, that's right. Come this way, Miguel. Get a close up.
And what is Genie AI?
Genie, you silly Billy Jess. Genie AI is, of course, an incredible AI-powered marketing tool, a CRM system for you and your business, brought to you by Entrepreneur Circle. And here we are in the Genie AI zone, a zone of the Implementor specifically designed for you to get hands-on help and support implementing things inside the system, because Genie AI can do websites and landing pages and funnels and automations and emails and all sorts
so
of
much
jazzy
info.
marketing stuff. Well, watch out, it's those heels again. 16 of the team are here to help you on the ground. Actually, you know, type on your laptop and drag that little mouse and click that little bit and make sure that they can help you with the actual technical build and implementation of the wonderful stuff that you're no doubt going to come out with here at the Implementor. Isn't that exciting?
Very. The Genie AI zone sounds lovely, Cameron, but you know what my favourite bit of the Implementor is?
What?
The workshops.
Well, Jess, you're in luck, because here we are outside the workshop room here at the Implementor. You can see the schedule of the workshops that we have planned. Ooh. And spoiler alert, this workshop with Nigel, 7-figure growth strategies, is actually happening right now. Jess, the sign here says stop, do not enter, but do you think we can take people behind the scenes and bust through regardless?
Certainly. Of course we can.
As long as we're quiet.
He's on a Friday, you know, and he fits the shutters, and he looks forward to it, and he can do it.
We've done the refreshment zone, the quiet zone, the expert roundtable zone, the Genie AI zone, and the work zone, and we've just come out of the workshop zone. Jess, that's almost all of the zones. You know what we should do? I don't think this has been behind the scenes enough yet for our fabulous EC News viewers. Hello, guys.
What are you thinking?
Let's take them actually behind the scenes here at the Vox. Let's go somewhere we're not allowed to be. Come on.
I don't know where it's taking us.
Luckily, when you're an expert like us, boop, you open all the doors. So here we are behind the scenes of the Vox conference venue. Somewhere we're not supposed to be. And never guess what's in here.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Ooh, in fact, shall we show you some of the AV? Come on, let's have a look. Given this event isn't really Nigel on stage, you'd think the AV requirements would be minimal. But no, it actually still requires an awful lot of audio-visual tech equipment to make this event run smoothly. Oh, DJ Jess is on the decks. Wow, Jess, what are you doing? Oh, I see. That's right, we've got the DJ set for all of our exciting walk-in music and the background music throughout the day. Then around here, we've got all the audio levels. Ooh, come Miguel, look at the audio levels. I think this one should be a little bit higher. We've got all the visual graphics here, pan down. Ooh, ooh, look at this. Bam, levers and buttons. And we have this laptop which runs the slides, and we have this laptop which runs the videos, and we have this machine here which runs all of the lighting. All the colored lighting you've seen runs out of this machine here. Shall we pick a different color? No, we shan't. Because we wouldn't know how to get it back to the original that we like. You join us in another glamorous backstage area. When you think of the glitz and glam that your celebrities and favorite pop artists enjoy when they're doing their big concerts at venues like this is what they're actually experiencing behind the scenes. Concrete
lovely
floors,
vanilla
marked up
walls.
walls. If you've been to the Vox before, then you'll know this is not conducive to the fabulous, high-quality venue that it looks like from your end. This is our end, the behind-the-scenes end. I do think this comes out somewhere.
Huzzah!
So, Jess, I think the last place we need to take people behind the scenes is to...
This week's shop.
Jeez Louise, well, if that's what you call the EC staff room, let's go. Hello, everybody.
Hello, Cameron.
Watch yourselves.
I told you.
Are we?
Not even near.
Matt!
Matt, you've de-aged again. You silly boy. So, Jess, is this your...
The sweet shop.
I see.
This is where I come for energy.
It's good to know the Vox got your rider, Jess.
They certainly did. Flying saucers for the win.
Now, I'm not sure what you expected to see in the EC staff room here at a Vox event, but this is what it looks like. Plenty of sweets, plenty of ice-cold beverages, a bag of chocolate, get a close-up of that again, and then some wonderful staff.
For the purposes of sound and this really loud environment that we're going with mics on the wine glass, mics on the beer bottle.
But Jess, this is a business event. Why do you even have a glass of wine?
We've got to have fun. We've got to mix business with pleasure.
Of course, but more importantly, we're here at the Masterplan Drinks Reception, a key part of the Implementor event to end day one. As you can see, hundreds of fabulous members here enjoying the finest wines, beers, and soft drinks available here at the fabulous
You are at
Vox
risk
venue.
of sounding like an air steward then.
What?
Enjoying the finest beers, wines, spirits.
Oh, I'm sorry. Anyway, as you can see, Jess has had a few already. And it's a wonderful way to end day one of the Implementer here, isn't it, Jess?
It certainly is. We've had a great day, haven't we?
A great day, but these people have deserved a drink, you know? They've been working hard, implementing, getting stuff done. Jess, I think we should conclude this fabulous episode of EC News, this behind-the-scenes look of the Implementer here, with a wonderful little cheers.
Cheers, Cam. Have a great week.
Oh, we're literally saying goodbye. Okay, have a great week, everybody.